Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and it's a fun Sunday. We just get home from playing bowling with friends and eat at Golden Corral, and it was so fun. But now that I'm home, I am making this video updating about my inbox dollar earning. I've reached 416. This is the biggest I accumulated because I have not collected it. I did have Walmart gift card, a couple of Walmart $100 gift card like last year, and then I did not do it again. I did get some $20 gift card for Google because I like using Google Play to to play a game, and so I'm gonna get Google gift card for that so that I can play this game. I might spend a little bit of the Monopoly. So for now, I'm gonna get a $50 Google Play. And then said confirm you're about to redeem following Google Play $50 gift card. And then immediately from your account, and then no returns accepted. So then you click confirm, and then it's ready to go. You just have to wait. $50 cashback has been deducted from your account, so we're going to be processing your order and will be ready in maybe a couple of days. So now I am down to 366. So I'm gonna play another game. I am gonna tell you with what game I am earning from. This Family Island, my sister's playing this. This it is really easy, but I have not played that. But I have 30% from their earnings, so that's why most of that 416 is from them because they're my referral. So it's really cool. This one is really good. I would like to play this. It's a CSRA Racing, and that's a really good car. And Garden Mids Garden, that is really cool. I haven't played with that. I played a little bit of this Vegas, but I have not completed. Gin Rennie, I have completed this. The old one was only like $10, but now it's 40, maybe harder now. And let's see to the next game. I am planning to play this puzzle and survival, but it looks really hard. But if I don't have anything to do, I can just play and have fun. And the Board King, the old one for Android, I completed that. That's a part of my earnings. And I completed the old one of this Ant Legion. It was only 31, and now it's 130, and maybe they will bump up the level that needs to complete. But that's fun. I like that. And let's see what else. I am planning to play this. It's kind of complicated, but maybe Sunday if the offer is still there. And this one too. There's a lot of new games, but the one that I'm completed is not here. Like the Animal Kingdom, I got a really good play with that. I completed the game really fast. It's like not even halfway to the days that it's limited days that they gave. Merge Dragon, this is good. I like this game. I earn a little of this at playtime though. It's not here to complete. Playtime is just a little bit of money to earn, but it's not as same as this one that if you can complete it the whole level that they want you to complete, you're gonna earn $50 in the days that they're limiting. But this one is good. This is new too. Solitaire Puzzle. It's fun. I haven't played with that one too. I completed Candy Crush. This is a really fun game. I completed that. It's fun. And the best pen, I did not complete it. I almost I almost did, but I did not. Let's see. Look to the new offers. I did that. I have not played any of the bingo. I'm not sure I will like that. No. I've not played with this one. Most of the games that I play is not here anymore. Oh, this one's good. It's just only 10, but I like this game. A lot of stuff. And my magic receipt, most of them, some of my earning from part of that was my magic receipt. Like if you go get groceries and you can get cash back from groceries, you can add it to the list like these clothes. You can have a $2 cash back and all these products here. You just upload your receipt and you get that one. Very easy. And some of the groceries like potatoes and stuff, you will every time you go, you can get it again and again, like once a week. It's depend how many, uh, how 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 open you can get it. So that was it. It's really fun, and my daily goal and my daily list. Usually, I can always complete my daily list. It's a 5 cents. You can finish to check the five. If you can finish all of the nine, you can get 10. That's every day. That's pretty fun. And if you wanna complete this, then you can go earn some. This is laser now. It used to be 5 cents. Now it's get to the 3 cents. So I complete that sometimes, but not all the time. I have like 11 here. So let's go back to the offer. Yeah, the play mats. My sister said this is easy to play. I will play this sometimes. But right now I am focused to my Monopoly. Because I like playing Monopoly. What else we got here? Android. Oh, Baba Wild Slots. Oh, that sounds good. Just don't know why it's not working very good. Go back to the new offer. Merge Garden. Family Island. That is really good. Maybe I already mentioned it. What is that? Let's go Domino Go. That's interesting. Might play that. Wizardables. Whoa. I would like to play this. Puzzle and Conquest. My sister said that's easy. So I will play that sometimes. And this pen, I have not finished that. What else do we have? Bingo Journey. It's only $6. Must be easy, but it's for iOS. I only have Android. Solar Smash. This is nice. This is fun. That is fun to play. What else do we have here? Because Club Bigas, I did not finish that. Yeah, the Animal Kingdom is not here anymore. That was the easiest game I have completed. That is so cool. Immortal, I tried this, but I just don't get the game. I can't win, so I give up on it. Smash, Sultan Smash, that's fun. Alright guys, that's all for my sharing. I shared to you this. One, I still have 25 cents from Monopoly already. I completed the board game. So I got pending for 25 cents. This is all my earning. See here, I complete Animal Kingdom to level 68. That's why I have earn 80. But half of that I spent some gift card, Google gift card. Because if I did not, I don't know if I can complete it. It's a little bit hard, but it gets easier if you have if you put some of the energy. And if you the Animal Kingdom, if you install it, very you already get $1 right away. So that's all. So I'm gonna request a cast for a Google gift card and some Walmart gift card for groceries. And oh, so I might play with this. I'm not sure. I think I already played this with Playtime. You only can install the game once. So if you play it at Playtime, you can never play it again. If you play it again, you don't get cashback. So that's why I'm trying not to play these games in Playtime, because then if they offer it here, then you can only download it once. So I'm just gonna try find a game that I like and try it. If it's too hard and I don't have to continue and find another game. Lots and lots of games to choose from here. So if you wanna go uh, use InboxDollar to play games and get a little bit of cashback from it, just click the link below and sign up, and you're gonna get $5 right away when you sign up for InboxDollars. It's pretty easy. Just your email address and some password that you have to write it down so that you won't forget. So that's all for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye. You take care. Bye.